Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about latest in technology, and in today's class we will learn about cloud computing in real life. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. The cloud computing is all about making a group of computers available for rent over the internet. As a cloud provider, very similar to the hotel owner, you manage the hardware, and in some cases you also manage the software, including the electricity, maintenance, internet connection, data backup, in case of there is a failure in data, failure or a data loss. All of that you as a cloud provider manage. There are several small and big cloud providers in the market, and this market is growing. The top two big players are Amazon, and their service is called AWS, Amazon Web Services, and another is Microsoft. Microsoft's service name is called Azure. IBM also has, it's called IBM Cloud. These companies can rent the hardware to small or large companies. They are capable of changing the capacity based on demand. Very similar to what hotels can do. They can rent you one room or they can even rent you 10 rooms. Now, in fact, in today's world, not only hardware is rented, but software too. The whole idea of creating a service is very popular. The service is what, if you take an example, I can cook food. I can, I like to eat, chicken biryani. Now, rather than me cooking the biryani, I can go to a restaurant. I like pasta. I can go to an Italian restaurant and they cook better than me. So rather than creating on my own or cooking, I can go and buy that from a restaurant. The restaurant is serving food as a service. You are good at photography, you can become a photographer, and you can provide your service, the photography as a service, in which you will bring your own camera, you'll bring all the equipments, and I simply have to pay you, and you simply buy your time and you come and provide your service. So this concept of providing service is becoming very, very popular in information technology world, where you create a software and you provide as a service to people. For example, you are good at managing the payroll, you created a software, and now all the companies who wants to run the payroll will come to you and you charge them based on the number of users, what we call it as license fee. So they don't need to develop the software, they can simply reuse your software and you will charge them based on the number of users. Take Microsoft's all the licenses, take Gmail. Gmail is a service. You may sign up Gmail as an individual and you get, I guess, 5 GB of data storage on Gmail. But if you want to go beyond that, Gmail will charge you money for it. In Gmail, you can upgrade your service, but you will have to pay some money. And Gmail is providing a mail service to you, internet-based email service to you for either free or for some charge. But Gmail itself is a software, which you are literally renting it every day, whether we realize that or not. There are several softwares available as a service, and it's called, the popular word is software as a service. It's also called SaaS. Software as a service. Then we also have hardware as a service, where we call it platform as a service. All of this part of cloud computing world, and these services are growing. A lot of business in this area, a lot of companies are flourishing. I hope you understand now cloud computing and how cloud computing is being used in real life. That's all in today's class. If you have any question, post it in the community on my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.